Is the image quality on your Canon DSLR not up to par? Blurry, dull, or low-res photos often result from incorrect settings. With just a few simple adjustments, you can instantly improve your image quality. Let's make it happen. First, switch on your Canon camera, then press the menu button. Now tap on image quality. You can use your touchscreen or you can tap the set button here. You can choose RAW or L. L stands for large and JPEG. You can choose RAW plus L. This is a good option if you want the flexibility of RAW but also need a quick to view JPEG. Now look at your screen, then tap ISO. Now make sure to keep the ISO as low as possible. Now look at the top of the camera body, use the mode dialer, and then set the mode to P, TV, AV, or M. Now try to take a photo and check whether your image quality has increased or not. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.